Right, welcome back everybody. Today we've just received a parcel from Amazon off my wish list, and it's from my sister Tracy, George, Emily and James and Ben, all the way from Cyprus. So I really appreciate that, guys. It'll come in really handy, save me nicking dads. And I'd like to say happy Christmas to you all and hopefully see you soon. Right, welcome back everybody to another little video. Today we've got this Stihl TS400 disc cutter. I bought this as a non-runner, so what we're going to do today is I've mixed some pre-mix up, fuel and two-stroke, and we're just going to dump a bit in the fuel tank because there's nothing in it, and we'll give it a fire up and see if it's actually firing or what it's actually doing. So let's get started. Right, so I'm just going to take the fuel cap off. I haven't got my mic with me today, so you'll just have to bear with me with the sound because this is just an off-the-cuff video, this, so I weren't really prepared for it. I just see it outside and thought, oh, we'll have a quick go on that. So I'm just going to put a bit of juice in it. I don't even know, it might even have a fuel leak yet, I don't know. Just put enough in there just to get it going. I think that's just covering the filter, so hopefully there's enough in there. So we've got a choke switch here, and all the letters are wore out, and I presume it's just like a bit like a chainsaw where you pull that back. So let's go and give it a go, see if it'll fire up. Right, so there's nothing there, it don't even sound like it's firing. Like trying to fire. So let me just have another couple of goes at that and I'll come back to you. Right, you're not going to bloody believe this. As soon as I press stop recording, I come back to it, pulled it over and it fired straight up. So let's give it another go now and see if it carries on. So I presume it's just like that again. Probably won't do it now. I've put the choke on because it's still cold. I turned it straight off, you see. So there's that one. Then, as you can see, that's running fantastic actually. So I will still give it a service and that. I'll get a new air filter and plug for it and give it a good old clean up. But you probably will see it again on the channel when I come to do that. But this was just a little will it run video. So we'll leave it here for this one, and until next time, we'll see you about.